Ever feel like your Word documents are just a little euro off? Let's fix that and unlock precise formatting in under 2 minutes. To get those essential horizontal and vertical guides, we need to access a simple but powerful tool within Word. Start by looking at the ribbon at the very top of your Word window. Locate and click on the View tab. This tab is your gateway to controlling how your document looks on your screen, including those invisible guides that help with alignment. Once you click on the View tab, a new set of options will appear. In the ribbon, look for a section labeled Show. Within the Show group, you'll see a checkbox labeled Ruler. This is exactly what we need. Simply click on the box to place a check mark inside it. And just like that, the ruler magically appears. You'll now see a horizontal ruler running across the top of your page and a vertical ruler running down the left-hand side. These rulers are your new best friend for precise document layout. They allow you to visually align text, images, and other elements with incredible accuracy, measuring distances in inches, centimeters, or other units. Whether you're setting margins, aligning columns, or positioning graphics, the ruler provides the visual feedback you need to ensure your document looks exactly how you want it. It's a simple tweak that makes a huge difference in professional document appearance. Word ruler formatting made easy. #WordHacks #document layout.